Understanding the coffee tools. This is the coffee grinder. Single shot button on the left, double shot button on the right. This is a coffee tamper on the rubber stamp. This is our coffee machine. This is a steam control. This is the steam one. The steam control controls the steam one, turning it on and off. This is the portafilters. There are two types of portafilters. The double shot portafilter and the double shot portafilter has two heads. Single shot portafilter. Single shot portafilter has a single head. Double shot, single shot. The machine has 5 buttons. Button 1 is usually for single shot, button 2 for double shot, button 3 for Americano, and the 4th and 5th button we shall not use.